Engineers spend years learning design standards, refining calculations, and becoming proficient in advanced modeling software. Yet many careers stall not because of a lack of technical capability, but because of a lack of soft skills. Communication, collaboration, adaptability, and leadership determine whether an engineer remains a reliable performer or becomes a trusted advisor and leader. These qualities are not a replacement for technical ability, but a multiplier that makes it visible and valuable. Soft skills form the invisible structure that keeps complex projects moving. They allow engineers to present intricate designs to non-technical audiences, coordinate between multiple disciplines, and build trust with clients, regulators, and communities. Without them, even the most outstanding designs can be misunderstood, delayed, or rejected. The ability to listen carefully, turn complex information into a clear story, and anticipate issues before they escalate transforms technical knowledge into solutions that meet both engineering requirements and human needs. Consider how these qualities influence real projects. An engineer who communicates clearly can speed up approvals. An engineer who understands team dynamics can prevent small misunderstandings from becoming costly delays. An engineer who shows leadership under pressure can guide a team through unexpected challenges and deliver results beyond expectations. Soft skills turn expertise into influence, and influence into opportunity. AXA Engineers is a vivid example of these principles. AXA Engineers has built an environment where technical capability and human potential grow side by side. Engineers are encouraged to take ownership of projects, anticipate challenges, and provide clear solutions before problems occur. This deliberate focus on communication, collaboration, and leadership creates a stable team that understands client standards in depth, works seamlessly across time zones, and protects intellectual property with rigorous protocols. AXA Engineers positions as a global design hub by welcoming international talent and building cross-border collaborations. Exposure to diverse design thinking and rich cultural perspectives enhances technical expertise and strengthens the communication agility essential for modern civil engineers to succeed. Clients benefit from a partner whose teams combine global insight with local precision, producing innovative designs and reliable service. For individual engineers, the lesson is clear. Mastering software such as Civil 3D or InfraWorks will help you perform tasks, but mastering soft skills will open the door to leadership. Active listening, persuasive writing, negotiation, and empathy can raise a career from competent to indispensable. In an industry built on precision and safety, these human capabilities turn calculations into sustainable, community-focused infrastructure. Civil engineering is not only about concrete and steel, it is about trust, coordination, and service. The example of AXA Engineers shows that when a company nurtures soft skills alongside technical expertise, it creates teams that deliver superior designs, proactive support, and genuine partnerships. In a connected world where projects cross borders and cultures, the ability to connect, communicate, and collaborate is no longer optional. It is the foundation of resilience and growth. For anyone building a civil engineering career, this is an invitation to reconsider priorities. Technical knowledge may open the door, but soft skills define the path beyond it. Looking to examples such as AXA Engineers can inspire balanced development that unites personal growth with professional excellence and raises the standard for the entire industry.